potentially we need to clear all of these. Property line is, you could see it on that side, but it goes further diagonal that way. So we eventually need to clear all of this. Look at this though.
It's filthy.
Good, it's doing its job.
Awesome. Looks a lot bigger up here, doesn't it?
Yeah, it sure does. Wow, it feels so good to have that burn pile gone. Even if it's half of it's moved.
Whatever.
I don't even think a full half was moved. I think a quarter of it was moved.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a lot more. Do you want me to take the drone out and you can see?
No, I don't even want to see it. I want to measure where we need to put our
house? Septic holes? Okay.
This excavator's perfect size.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, let's measure for this.
Can't even, wind can catch up and it won't do anything.
Yes.
No holes.
I'll be able to sleep tonight.
Thank you. No more stress. But we did what we came here to do.
Yes, we did.
House side is 100% clear. We just need to dig our septic holes, so let's look at the paperwork.
Okay. You look at the paperwork.
Provide access to the standard test pits. Okay. Preparing test pits to provide test stabilization and safe access standard test pits for site evaluations must be prepared in the following manner. The bottom of the pit shall be at least 2 feet wide and 4 feet long. The depth shall be at least 4.5 feet, but not exceed 5 feet. Okay. In some instances, pits need to only be excavated to the layer of hard rock or the water table layer, if less than 5 feet. So,
well, we have no hard rock or water table up here. Well, there is a water table, but it will be very deep up here.
I need 2 pits. Oh yeah.
We are going to sit up about how high the house is going to be, and then we'll get a view of what we'll look at. Oh yeah, we'll have a nice view. So we'll have a view of all of these mountains. How pretty. And a lot of this is still coming out. So right now he's gonna dig a couple holes for the septic. We have to have the sample holes. So they have to be 4 feet deep, but not exceed 5 feet. And one side of it has to have a 45-degree slope. Like there was a burn pile here before. A burn hole?
What?
A burn hole?
Look like it? I don't know.
No, I gotta go get it. Right where I'm standing. But this is not where it has to be though, right?
I think it's a full scoop.
We could have the utility room either way. What? We could build the house with the utility room on either side. Nothing.
Okay.
Okay, it's shower time. Boil in our water, got our little hand pump, got a blister on my toe, and that's it. Next time we come, this pile, all that crap over here to this pile, those piles over to this pile. But we have the main thing done. Put in stone in the shower, back to the cabin. Yeah, baby. They look good though.
Mangrove Avenue.
Why are we going to Mangrove Avenue,
Go see
Jonathan?
Danny and Subway.
Danny and Subway.